Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn Python basic. So as you can see, this is our IDE online that you can test Python compiler, our code within our browser. Okay, I recommend it to use because we can learn on it without any install Python into our computer. Okay, in today's video we are going to learn how to create variable in Python. And I think you understand variable in other programming language. Variable are container for store data value. So in Python we can create a variable by using like here. Let me write. We can say it equal to 100. There we go. Here is our variable. Here is how we create variable in Python, and we can print it out the value. For example, okay, let's run it. Yeah, as you can see, our value is 100 because we assign it to our x variable. Here is simple concept to create a variable in Python. So we can assign any data type to a variable such as string, hello, and we can print it out as well. Let's run it. As you can see, here is our value from our variable. And in Python, a variable do not need to be declared with any particular type and can even change type after they have been set. Okay, let me show you. For example, x variable, we assign it equal to integer 100, but we can change the value to string later. Yeah, as you can see, we can change, assign the new value to our variable for different data type. It still works. Okay, as you can see, this is the simple way in Python that you can create a variable for your application. In casting, in Python we can casting data type. Let me show you. If you want to specific data type or variable, this can be done with casting. What does that mean? For example, x equal to 3, but we want to convert 3 into a string. We can say str 3. Here we go, and now our x variable is string. Let's run it. Okay, what if we want change 3 into integer? We can say in, right, this, and we can change it to float data type like this. It's really simple in casting in Python. So another thing we want to know about the type our variable. Okay, let me show you a little bit. For example, we convert our number into the string, so we can check the type of our x variable by using type x, as you can see like this, and we can print it out, and you will see the type is string because we assign our variable and casting it to a string. So our data type is string. I think you understand. I try to explain a simple concept. If you have a question, you can comment below this video. And the next thing I want you to know is a single or double quote in Python. String variable can be declared either by using single or double quote. Let me show you. For example, x equal to hello. We can declare a string variable by using double quote like this, or you can declare with a single quote like this. It works correctly. So this is how we declare a string variable. I hope you understand it. And the next thing I want you to know is case sensitive in Python. Variable name and case sensitive. It's mean, for example, x equal to 100 and x equal to 200. This variable is different, so it's not overridden. Okay, so let me print it x and print x with uppercase. Let's run it. Yeah, as you can see, this two variable is different. It's not override. So I think you understand, and I hope you understand. If you have a question, you can comment below this video. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.